Hello and welcome to this course. It is a beginner's course for learning to crochet. So the idea in this course is that you're going to be learning how to do the basic stitches that you need to crochet, and you can ultimately at the end be able to do things like blankets and very simple amigurumi. So just like anything, it's going to take some practice to get good at it, but as you get more and more practice, then you're going to become more comfortable with the terminology and you'll be able to learn more advanced stitches. So just so that you're aware, I am a right-handed crafter. So I'm going to be using my right hand for everything. If you're left-handed, you may already be good at translating, but if not, there are some tutorials that you can watch on YouTube to help you kind of get the idea. I'm also going to be going over terminology in US terms, so it's a bit different than elsewhere in the world, but the stitches generally look the same. So I will primarily be using this crochet hook. It is a size H crochet hook, so that's a really good size for starting out because it's a fairly big hook. It's also very good with worsted weight yarn, so I'm using this Red Heart red yarn because it's easy to see the stitches as we go through this. And the other thing you're going to need is some fiber fill. So this is good for when you make amigurumi or other shapes with crochet. So that's going to be down the line a little bit. We're going to be starting out with more horizontal back and forth movements, and then we'll work into the round later on. So you will see a PDF that includes a list of recommended materials. So that includes crochet hooks and yarn and fiber fill, and you can get those online or at your favorite crafting store. Now, it doesn't really matter what crochet hook you get. If you decide you just want to start with the size H because that's what we're working with here, that's totally fine. You can also get a kit if you think you might be working with yarn of different sizes. So just know that the bigger the yarn, the bigger the hook, and the bigger the hook, the easier it is to get into the stitches. So that's why I like to use this middle grade size H. And in case you're wondering, it is 5 millimeters. Sometimes they go by millimeters instead of the letter. So also, this is a pretty standard basic kind of crochet hook. You'll see in the PDF as well that there are some recommendations for more ergonomic, fancy ones. And you can get those if you'd like. I learned on this one and I'm very comfortable with it. So that's how that works. So I hope that you will enjoy this course. You'll learn a lot in this, and crochet is a really great way to kind of pass the time, make gifts for friends, and be creative at the same time. So I look forward to continuing with this, and we'll see you in the next video.